E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de GTA V. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada. Compartilhem a gameplay no canal. Quem quiser apoiar o canal, apoie. E é isso aí, galera. E o pessoal que estiver visualizando aí na Twitch, anotem o meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Beleza? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Bom, galera, hoje nós vai começar a continuar o modo história de GTA V. Na última vez a gente chegou com o Trevor Los Santos, Trevor Phillips, foi isso mesmo. Hoje nós vai dar continuidade a esse gameplay do jogo aqui. Aqui, ó, legal, geral, let's play, GTA Online. Legal. Enquanto o jogo carrega, galera, o GTA V, o Trevor é um dos melhores protagonistas que a gente joga. E é um dos personagens mais bacanas que a gente controla. Vamos esperar aqui enquanto o jogo carrega pra a gente... Hoje nós vai jogar com os três, com se apresentar o Michael, Frank e o Trevor. Pera aí. O jogo vai demorar um pouco para carregando. Ó, começamos aqui com o Jimmy. Segunda-feira, 5h03 da manhã.
Jimmy, loser. Hey, Jim.
Perdedor.
Hey, Dad.
Vamos fazer aquela missão com... Vou ver na casa aqui quem tá. Aqui não tá ninguém, só eu e o Jim. Segunda-feira de madrugada. Olha o som, ó. O avião passando lá. Nossa. Vou fazer logo essa missão principal. Nossa, cara. Opa!
What are you doing? Neighbors are gonna see this.
You're always at that fucking golf course.
You know I've got a competition coming up. Look, can't we talk
Cara,
about this
pensando em
inside?
Oh, really? You think I was born yesterday? Who plays golf at midnight?
Ah, esse aqui não é
That's
ajuda a
it.
acompanhar
Walk away
o
like
nosso
you
amigo de
always
tempo.
do. Hey, you! Listen, can you give me a ride? My wife's gone crazy. I'll throw some dollars your way.
Yeah, I would if I had a vehicle to give you a ride in. Let me see what I can do.
Okay, I'll wait here and take a good long look at my life, strewn all over the front yard.
Ah, aí, professor de tênis.
Thanks, man. Just let me grab my favorite iron. Just not getting that. What a mess. A really great wardrobe out for all to see. Whatever.
Da
Can't
hora
deal
isso
with it
aqui,
right
cara.
now.
Evento aleatório.
Can you drop me off at the golf club in Rit?
Pera aí, galera.
At least I know I'll be welcome there.
So, you're just gonna leave all your stuff in the driveway?
Yeah, I'm not giving her the satisfaction
Yeah,
of cleaning
no.
that up. I'll go to the club, get a few drinks in me, and hope either her meds have kicked in or the gin is worn off by the time I get back. I appreciate you doing this, by the way. I know it's kind of a weird one. What's your name?
Michael,
Good to meet you.
Michael.
I'm Castro.
what is that? Italian? Spanish?
Pure wasp, I'm afraid. My sister's called Muffy, so I think I got off lightly.
Muffy, ah, da hora.
So, what was that all about?
Ah, just the usual psycho female stuff. She thinks I've got another woman on the side.
And do you?
That's not the point. She doesn't know that I have one. Okay, guy to guy now. I have a
Oh,
very
okay.
strict code. Only on out-of-town trips, no real names, a dead trail. That's a gentleman's way, right?
I don't know. I'm not that careful. Then again, neither is my wife.
Ah, legal.
I'm good like that. I don't want to embarrass her. Then she goes and literally airs our dirty laundry in front of all the neighbors. I mean, show some class.
So let me get this straight. You're pissed because she's accusing you of cheating when she doesn't know you've cheated. Even though you have cheated.
Exactly. It's a lack of trust. She'd be
Exatamente,
accusing me of it even
confiança.
if I hadn't. I've never done anything at that golf club except play golf. And that's the god-honest truth. Which is more than I could say about her spin class instructor. In fact, I wonder if her fat ass is admissible as evidence in court. Because if she's doing that much spinning, it should be like a
Danger.
bowling ball by now. Anyway, sorry. You don't need to hear this.
No, I don't. It's a horrifying reflection of my own shallow existence.
Money doesn't buy you happiness. It just buys you a lot of therapy to talk about why you're not happy. Thank God for golf. That's all I say. You play?
I try my best.
What a game. True sport of kings. You know, they still don't let women on the course in Los Santos. It's a throwback to a less confusing time, when everyone knew who they
Entendi.
were. I can't wait to get to the club. See the guys? Forget all about
Eu sei
this.
croa. Ah, cara chato vai fazer um.
Really? Hey!
If you just drop me off at the
Ah,
entrance
clube de
here, that'd
golfe
be
aqui.
great. Thanks again. Hey, we should play golf sometime. Come by the club. I'm here most days. Hey, buddy. Hey, hey, hey!
O Castro, o nome dele. Legal. Vou vir aí qualquer hora, numa hora vaga. Tá vendendo esse grupo de golfe aqui. Igual o Ponta Maré, o Trevor é dono, né? Lá da propriedade hangar. Eu vou juntar tudo isso aí quando eu comprar tudo. Parece que vocês vão ver. Que horas são no jogo aqui? 8h30 vai dar. Nossa.
I sure could use a share.
Nossa, cara.
Whoa! Too close!
Que cruz. Ah, primeira vez nós tá indo aqui, ó. Opa. Tum, tum, turum. Vamos nessa missão aqui do Dave Norton.
Hello there. How you doing today? I was hoping we
Legal
could
esse aqui,
continue the
esse
conversation we
canto
had the
aqui, ó.
other day about...
Who cares about MBAs anymore? Ah, no doubt.
Oh, sure, of course, I understand. Life is crazy busy, believe me. I know. Hey, buddy! How about next week? Uh-huh. Sure, I understand.
9h36 da manhã.
Of course, I'll try you again. Thank you very much.
Hello,
Brian.
Go down to the range later and fire off a few rounds. I'll hold you to that. It'll be on your desk first thing tomorrow morning. I'm raking in the OT this week.
Vamos ver a pista aqui de Los Santos.
Waiting on numbers from London. I'm not making excuses.
Wow.
I thought you said tomorrow was fine.
Grande a cidade aqui, hein?
Reg said I have an hour for
Back
lunch,
now, sir.
and I'll take an hour for lunch.
Well, what the hell ever then?
What are you doing?
Ah, desce aqui.
Hey, what's right?
O David deve estar por aqui.
Davey! How you doing?
David, como vai?
As can be expected, but the news is not good.
I don't know what
Mas
you're
a
talking
notícia não é
about.
boa.
I know you did that
A
fucking
volta dos
jewelry
que não
job.
foram.
Davey, seriously, you're imagining things.
David, sério, como
Fuck
você está imaginando?
All right,
Fuck you.
I did it. Arrest me. You
Eu
know
fui
what?
eu.
You'll be
Me
saving
prende.
my life.
Estará
You
salvando
called
minha
it,
vida.
motherfucker.
E você cantou a bola, filho da puta?
You called it.
O quê?
Trevor,
A couple of
Trevor,
days
olha
ago.
lá.
We haven't really
Há uns
talked
dias
about
atrás.
anything either.
Mas também não
but
falamos
if no
realmente sobre
when,
nada.
he starts asking questions about why you're not feeding worms south of the Canadian border.
E sul da fronteira canadense.
Oh, we got problems.
Yeah, no shit.
É, não brinco.
We're in it.
A gente está nessa,
Together.
So,
juntos.
if your problems
Se os
are
seus problemas são
my problems,
os meus problemas,
then I guess that means that my
então acho
problems
que
are sort of
os meus
your
problemas são de
problems.
certa forma.
Nope.
Não.
What if I lose my job? Someone comes
perder o
into
meu
my
emprego.
office,
Alguém
starts
entra no
reading
meu
my
escritório.
files. They'll see
Começa.
the things I did.
Eles vão
I
ver
know
as
a
coisas
lot
que
of
eu
stuff.
fiz.
I can cop a plea,
Eu
get
sei um
5
monte de
years,
coisa,
but
posso fazer um
you,
acordo, conseguir uns 5 anos mais que você.
You ungrateful
Vai
prick.
poder, seu merda ingrato.
I made your career.
Eu fiz sua carreira.
well, then
Bom,
we better go about saving it together,
melhor a
because
gente tentar salvá-la junto.
you and I both know we can't let it go to shit now.
Então, não dar merda agora. É.
What do you need?
This
Do
guy,
que você precisa?
Ferdinand
Esse cara.
Karamov.
Ferdinand
Agency claims
Karamov.
he's dead.
A agência
We at
alega
the
que ele está
Bureau
morto.
think they're full of crap.
Mas nós do
We
FBI
think
achamos
he's
que
being
eles estão
debriefed
mentindo.
someplace.
So?
Achamos que ele está sendo
Apparently,
interrogado. E daí?
He has information which will put me
Ele
and
tem
my
informação que
superiors
colocar a
out
mim e
of
aos meus
circulation.
superiores
Those
fora de
agency
circulação.
fuckers have got the coroner's office locked down. We need you to verify the body.
Aham.
So how the hell am I gonna get in here?
Well, you've
Como
played
diabos
dead
vão entrar
before,
lá?
haven't you?
Nossa.
I have
Eu não-
always kind of liked you. Call me when you wake up. I'll tell you.
Caramba, velho. Meteu uma décima.
What we got? John Doe, white male,
Onde que eu tô?
in his late 40s.
40 e muitos.
Let's take a peek.
The fat deposits on his hips and abdomen suggest a fondness for bleeder burgers. See the broken capillaries around the nose?
What the hell was that?
Don't worry, it's just
Que diabo
gas.
foi isso? Não se preocupe, é só o gás.
It's reanimating.
You want to cut it in the coroner's office, you're going to have to lose the nerves.
Vai ter que encher sangue frio.
This isn't right.
Well, fresh is
Isso não está
different. The ones
certo.
you've seen have been on the shelf for a week.
Aham.
You can still smell this guy's breakfast.
If you say so.
Ah, the things I've seen in this place.
Nossa,
Grown
mas tá
man, you
bicho
fit
foi
into
num
a
pra
sandwich
necrotério, hein?
bag. Bodies that are more maggots than flesh. This gas bag here is a blessing.
Meu Deus do céu, ah, vai. Botei de morte, pau no cu, olha lá. Opa! Hahaha. Tem que pesquisar se que é o corpo do Ferdinand, ó, o FBI QI.
Come out! Hands in the air!
Come on.
Come on. Might be in the other room.
Legal, é isso aí.
Give it up! You want to end up on the slab?
Ó, nós tá aqui, cara.
That don't look right. Guess you
Yeah,
can't
they
judge
look
a
right.
corpse by its toe tag. I found the toe tag.
Ei,
Ferdinand Karamov.
achei que ele
It's on
Ferdinand
some big
Karamov. Tá
black
numa
lady.
uma senhora
Definitely not
nessa
your
cor
guy.
com certeza não é o nosso cara.
The agency have the lower
Ok,
floors
a
on
agência
lockdown
bloqueou
to
os
prevent a
andares
leak.
superiores para
I
prevenir
got a guy
vazamento.
who can cut the power to give you some help, but you'll have to get upstairs if you're gonna get out.
O FBI tá atrás desse Ferdinand.
Hey, stop! Put your hand...
Nossa, cara.
I should have stayed on the slab.
You need to get some cover.
Carry on with your business.
Shit! Holy shit!
National security issue to contain the threat.
It's all a big misunderstanding.
Vocês estão cometendo um grave erro.
Shit, man! Let's go!
Hey, I already died once today.
desgraçado! Ah, não!
You! Freeze! Hands up!
A prova de bala é foda.
Come on!
We got an injury. It's Stabley. Stabley's hit.
Ah, matei.
Push me, shit!
This is fucked! Just let me go!
Fuck you!
Fuck you, nada.
Go to hell!
I don't know what's going on here, but I want the fuck out!
I've got your number! You're dead!
This the way out?
Motherfucker!
Motherfucker.
You're mine!
Trust me! I'm not interested in the truth!
Go to hell!
Isso aí.
I should have stayed on the slab! Carry on with your business! It's all a big misunderstanding!
A bancada no necrotério, eu tô aqui, cara, que tenso.
Stop! You don't have the clearance to be here!
Tiro na cabeça. Michael, se suas armas estarão em um saco de lixo na sala de perícia no último andar. Onde que é a saída aqui, cara?
Containment! Containment! Containment!
Hey, I already died once today! This is fucked!
Nossa, cara.
Just let me go.
Stay right.
Nossa, cara, tenso, hein?
I don't know what's going on here, but I want the fuck out.
This is for the greater good.
Nossa.
Trust me, I'm not interested in the truth.
Holy fucking Christ!
I should have stayed on the slab.
Olha o saco preto aqui, minhas armas. Caraca, velho. Caramba, velho. Que situação.
Requesting backup for a possible national security threat at Strawberry Corner's office. Suspect is a white male adult. IAA has authorized use of lethal force.
Suspect driving car dispatch.
Onde que eu vou? Aqui, ó. Caraca, velho. É aqui onde eu sou. Ah, pelo linha do trem aqui, ó. Opa, bloqueei a polícia.
Hey, Mike. F. Hey, we need to talk. Quick. Meet me at those oil derricks just outside town, El Burro Heights. And make sure you're not tailed.
Man, that don't sound too good, homie. Look, I'm on my way.
Ah, tô a caminho. O Mike vai ligar pro Dave, ó.
Dave, the hell was that? You know how many spooks I just ran into?
I'm sorry. They're not nice people, if that's a consolation.
What's going on?
There's a big target out there. Something in the shadows. The data algorithms are reading off the charts. Whoever finds it, the Bureau or the agency,
Quem encontrar seja o FBI ou a agência vai ganhar uma
Like I care about your funding.
Tipo, eu não me importo com
You're not.
Tô fora, Dave.
I need you to
Não
meet
está.
my
Preciso
boss.
que vá falar com o seu
We'll be
chefe.
downtown in the plaza between
Estaremos
the
sempre na
FIB
praça
and the
entre os prédios do
IAA
FBI e
building.
da IAA.
The IAA building.
O
You
prédio da
fucking
IAA?
kidding me after the
Você
spat
tá
I
de
just had
sacanagem
with those
comigo
agency
depois da
men?
briga que eu tive com aqueles caras da agência?
They won't be looking there. They never expect an
Não vou estar
inside
procurando
job.
lá isso. Nossa, você é doido. Nossa, cara. Ah, os campos de petróleo aqui. Oh, Franklin, aí.
What's going on?
You gotta get out of town.
Ei.
Man, I ain't exactly got nowhere to go.
Well, then take
Cara,
a
eu meio
trip.
que tenho
A long
pra
trip.
onde ir.
What the fuck is going on?
Uma bem longa.
Thanks,
Que porra está
alright?
acontecendo?
You remember?
Olha,
I
lembra que eu
told
te
you I
disse
know
que tem meus
people,
contatos?
Feds who looked after me when I retired.
Federais?
You did?
Yeah, I did. I mean, I think I did. I
Você
don't
tem?
know. Shit,
Sim, me
Jesus
aposentei. Quer
Christ,
dizer,
Franklin. I got so
caramba,
many stories, I
Franklin.
can't even keep them straight.
Eu
I'm
tenho
full of
tanta história, não
shit.
consigo
Yeah,
nem
but your
saber
full
como.
of shit got me a lot of paper.
Mas as suas
One
merdas
score
me
with
renderam
you,
muita
I made
grana.
more money
Só
than
uma
I
fita
ever
com
did
você
hustling.
e já ganhei muito
Yeah,
dinheiro
I'm a
como
great
jamais
thief,
tinha
but that's the
ganhado
other
antes.
shit that I ain't got figured out.
So what's the deal, man? What's the deal with the Bureau, man?
Ah,
This clown, I mean, he's an okay guy, fucking cocksucker. We did a deal a long time ago.
pau no cu do cara.
Didn't
Fizemos
go
acordo
quite
há
the way it
muito
was
tempo.
supposed to go. Wrong guy got killed. So I had to go into kind of
Cara errado.
an
Então eu tive que
informal
participar de
witness
um
protection program.
programa
He helped
informal de
me,
proteção
I
de
didn't
testemunha.
reveal secrets of his.
Eu não
Everything
revelei
was
os segredos que ele tinha.
cool. Problem
E ficou
started
tudo bem.
when recently I became unretired. I mean, he shows up, starts calling
Tipo, ele
in
deu as
favors,
caras.
telling
Começou a
me to
pedir
do shit. I mean,
favores.
look, Franklin,
A me
I'm
mandar
working
pra
for the
cima.
fucking
Pô, sério.
feds.
Nossa.
Fuck, man.
Oh, fuck,
Oh,
man. Yeah,
fuck.
and that ain't even the worst
Puta que
part.
pariu é essa? E
I
nem é a
ever tell
pior
you about
parte.
Trevor?
Eu já te falei o Trevor? Hã?
I think so. Shit.
Well, if you
Cara,
only think
acho
so,
que
then I
sim,
wasn't
man.
being completely
Bom, se
honest.
vocês
He's,
acham, eu fui completo.
I don't,
Ele
hell
está.
walking on earth. That's what he
Ele é um
is.
inferno
Well,
na
let's
terra.
bury this
É isso que ele.
motherfucker.
Ué,
Oh,
vamos
yeah,
colocar o
good luck with that.
desgraçado.
Shit.
Assim, se
Trevor and I
deseja
got
sorte.
history.
Quer dizer,
Complicated
eu e Trevor
fucking
temos
history.
um passado, uma porra de uma história complicada. Veja
I've
bem,
done a lot of things that I ain't
já fiz
proud
muitas
of.
das coisas que eu não me
I never
engulho.
claimed to be an angel.
Ok, nunca fingi ser um
But you meet
santo.
Trevor Franklin.
Mas se você
You'll
conhecer o
swear I
Trevor
am an
Franklin,
angel.
você vai
So
jurar que eu
what's the
sou um
move
anjo.
then, man?
I don't
Então qual é o
know.
próximo passo, cara? Não sei.
I'm just gonna, you know, try to play both sides. You know, until I can find a way out
Tentar
of
jogar
this
nos
shit.
dois times, sabe? Até
Alright,
encontrar
man,
uma
look,
forma de
man,
sair
you
dessa
help me.
confusão.
Way I see it, man.
Você me
least I
ajudou.
can do is help
Do
you.
meu ponto de vista, cara, o mínimo que eu posso fazer é te
Death
ajudar.
sentence, Franklin.
Man,
É uma
I ain't
sentença
trying
de
to hear
morte.
all that shit,
Cara, eu
man.
vou fingir
If
que
the
não vi
Bureau
isso,
ain't gonna
mano.
take you to court, them motherfuckers
Isso é
just hustlers
FBI.
anyway.
Os
And I ain't
cuzões só
finna
querem
let
levar
no
vantagem
motherfucking
mesmo.
cat think he's so
Não vou lutar pra
motherfucking
deixar
crazy,
vagabundo
run me
pensar que é
up a
louco o
tree.
suficiente.
Fuck that.
Pra me fazer fugir com o rabo entre as pernas.
Kid, Franklin.
Sou um bom
This means a
rapaz,
lot to
Frank.
me.
Isso
I told you.
significa muito pra mim.
I'm a terrific
Como eu já
thief.
te disse, sou um ladrão
Find
excepcional.
something for you. Big.
Vou encontrar alguma coisa pra você. Das
Come on.
gente.
You better take off.
Agora vamos.
All right, man. I'm with you.
Ok,
I'm
man.
with you.
Dave Norton. Vamos voltar pro Franklin pra ver. Vamos ver o Trevor como que tá.
I'm famous! I've been on the news!
Cadê a nossa caminhonete?
Hola, hello there.
Hello. I am highly threatened.
Ou eu vou passar na loja de arma e comprar várias armas pro Michael. Deixa eu ver aqui. Olha, eu sei que você deve estar irritado com, digamos, o favor que eu acabei de te pedir. Eu preferia não te pedir. Gostaria que não fosse esse o caso. Farei o que puder para te proteger como um amigo valioso da minha firma. Não sei quem é você que tá falando, é spam? Não tô nessa parte da cidade, não andei ainda não. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Nossa, cara, nós tá no rolo com o FBI então, hein? Só começando. Agora que a história de GTA V vai começando a se aprofundar e entrelaçar as três histórias. Nossa.
Hello. We have lots of options for the mature gentleman. These are state-of-the-art, Army issue. Find a job you love, you'll never work a day in your life.
Tem várias armas agora.
Now that'll take down a cruise liner.
Gás lacrimogêneo.
Okay, let me know how you get on. You won't regret it.
Vamos dormir na casa do Frank. A tia Denise. fazer a missão do Lester.
To the family. That's about right.
Acho que a tia não tá aqui, a tia Denise, no Frank, galera. Pra salvar o jogo, né? Vamos fazer mais uma missão pra...
Franklin, what's poppin'? You get my text?
You sound messed up.
Nah, I kicked the pipe. JB too. For real this time. Can you cover one more job, boo? Just till he get out of the sickness.
God damn it. Okay, last
time.
Tá bom,
pô, a última vez. Vai até alguém já ainda quebrando galho. De madrugada ainda, na terça-feira. Vamos lá. Fazer o guincho pro JP aqui.
This is dispatch. Broken down car at Spanish Avenue. Who's in the vicinity? Over.
Yeah, I'll take that.
10-4. Copy that. Clear after you.
Até o carro quebrado. É igual essas missões aqui do serviço de guincho. Vamos lá. Fazer essa missãozinha.
Man, you took your sweet time. I had traffic backed up for half a mile at one point. Drop me off at a repair shop, and one that's not gonna charge me a small fortune. You idiots! Hello? Cars unhooked?
Nossa. Agora que eu tenho dinheiro, eu vou comprar a companhia de táxi. E o capô do carro saiu, cara.
Well, we made it. I won't mention you on the complaint form.
Chegamos.
Franklin, what's cracking?
Not your ass, I hope. I covered that job, all right? Now stay off the rock.
I'm high on life now, baby. It's a new dawn.
Come on! Great, thanks. Let's hang at the beach soon.
Vamos comprar propriedade tal táxi.
No, come on, man. Man, I just got that bike.
Screw this. This shit ain't worth it.
Vamos devolver a bike pro maluco aqui.
Well, thank fuck you've got it. Thanks, man. Seriously, you saved my ass. Oh, this is fucking awesome.
Oh, that's cool, man. My repo instincts kicked in.
Vamos comprar aqui. É, confirmar a compra sim. É o tal qual táxi. Agora eu só tô numa taxaria. O lucro semanal será de $2.000. Agora você poderá andar de táxi gratuitamente. Quem entrar lá em contato para pedir ajuda para administrar o negócio. Vou ver o marco aqui como que tá. Fazer aquela missão no FIB. É. Prestar atenção com os caras do FIB, galera. Já 8 e... É. Vamos encontrar com o Dave Norton lá no combinado do prédio. É, galera. Vamos lá. Pela primeira vez vamos juntar o Michael, o Frank e o Trevor. Vamos lá. FIB. Terça-feira.
Hey, Michael.
David. Well, isn't this nice? You didn't tell me we were double dating.
Você não me disse que seria um encontro de casais. É, 2 é bom, 3 é foda. Steve Haynes. Ah lá, mas você provavelmente já sabe. Eu acho que esse é o crachá. Steve Haynes. Ah lá. Eu preciso me lembrar de anotar isso. De estourar assim, não, seu chato, cara. Andreas. Essas coisas. Pura mágica. Você já ouviu meu programa? Ok, como se vestir igual um vendedor passando um final de semana jogando. Então, ótimo trabalho com o nosso amigo Sr. K. Prazer foi meu. A declarar guerra, especialmente. Mas você cometeu um erro. Por que você... Antes eu faço você calar a boca. Você vai demonstrar respeito por mim e pela minha equipe. Talvez possa terminar a equipe pra mim. Esse clube só vocês três? Ou o FBI como um todo? O governo inteiro? Porque eu estou tentando argumentar que até agora não demonstramos muito respeito por uma grande... Opa! Eu vou deixar meu chapa.
We have received intel that they're keeping Mr. K at the local agency station.
I just dealt with that guy.
The agency is stepping up to question because of your moronic antics down at the coroner's office. We need to get him out of there before he blabs.
I did what Agent Norton said.
Then I guess you getting involved with a clapped-out old agent who's been living off of past glories was your first mistake. You are my boy now, amigo. My career depends on this, and that's very important to me. So seeing as we're all boys now, that makes it important to you. Now run along, kids. See, there you go, Dave. You can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Let's go.
Let's go. O zondo do Steve Haynes. O que eles vão falar aqui? Vamos ver. Se apontar a arma vai falhar a missão.
The Bureau owns a lot out in East LS, Covington Supplies off El Rancho. Can you take us there?
Yeah, sure. Sounds
No
nice
tempo
and
do EP,
secluded.
claro, parece
Kinda
um
place
local
you'd run an
agradável isolado.
off-the-books operation, huh?
So what?
So I bet federal ain't on the deed. That's
E daí que eu
so.
aposto que a
And we
federal
all
não
like
está
our
nessa
federal
escritura.
government open and transparent.
Except when closed and opaque suits you better.
Certo quando a
Hey,
opção
I'm
de
just a
chato.
puppet. You're the one pulling the strings.
E você é quem está ditando a jogada.
Tell me, Davey, you expense this
Olha o carro
ride
do
to the
Davey.
taxpayer?
I need you to make a couple of calls. Get some people on board. First guy is Franklin
Cara,
Clinton.
pessoal.
Hey, I barely know that kid. He's
Ó,
fixing
conheço
up my
aquele garoto, ele
car.
tá arrumando o meu
Call
carro.
him, or we'll send some G-men to his
Eu vou
aunt's
mandar um
house.
federal pra casa da tia dele. Olha lá.
Ok.
Ok, ok. Ó o Frank, olha lá.
Michael,
Agora o Frank
this
tá
ain't the
envolvido
best
também com o
time, I'm kinda busy.
FBI.
Hey, sorry about that. Listen, you know that thing we talked about before?
Pô, a gente
It's
conversou e
happening.
está
I need you to
acontecendo.
come to a lot off El Rancho, not far from where we met before.
Tem um pé de
that's
rancho.
cool. I'm in LS anyway.
Now, Trevor Phillips.
Agora,
Oh,
Trevor
you're
Phillips.
crazy. I ain't
Oh,
calling
no.
him.
I thought you might say that, so we had him picked up.
That's a dumb move, Dave. Real fucking
Quem vacilou,
dumb.
David?
Just
Vacilou
worry
feio,
about the
Trevor
plan,
Phillips.
okay? Getting Mr. K out of the
Tirar o
IAA
senhor K da
station.
estação da
Clinton is
IAA.
going to be positioned across the street, keeping an eye
Agora
on the
vou envolver o
proceedings.
Trevor
Phillips
também.
flies you in, you rappel down, make the extraction.
And I'm the best guy you got for this.
With you, we've got good leverage.
Great.
Com você tem uma
And you
boa
brought
vontade.
Trevor in. We're telling him I'm all
Pode, você trouxe
cozy
o
with the
Trevor.
FIB.
You'll need discreet support. We'll maintain control of the situation.
Discreet?
Controle da
Control?
situação.
Yeah, good luck controlling discreet Trevor. Now, I wonder how controllable
Trevor,
and
né?
discreet he'll be when he sees the guy who killed me
É
and put
discreto
Brad
quando ele
in
vê
jail.
o cara que me matou
Maybe
e
I'll
colocou o
hang
Brad na cadeia.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
É, isso pode ser uma boa ideia. Revolver o Trevor é loucura, né? Olha lá, ó, guys, like the emotion. Da hora isso aqui.
No more car accidents.
What, you don't see me driving?
My back's bad enough as it is.
É o carro dele. Acabou o carro dele.
Way to leave a paper trail.
Da hora.
You know what? You better keep a low profile.
Yeah, I think I will. See you later.
Oh, o Trevor tá junto ali.
Who's that cagey motherfucker, huh? No, it's another cagey motherfucker, all right? Not you.
Tá certo. Roy.
With the faux political bullshit.
Ei, Trevor, chega dessa merda de falso político.
Franklin. Come on, you better take
Franklin.
off. Really.
É melhor você ir embora, sério.
Whoa.
Não vou
Am I
pausar,
detecting
não.
some
Tô
sort of
detectando
son I
uma
never
porra
had
tipo
bullshit here,
filho
Mikey,
que eu nunca
huh?
tive, que
Hey,
é
listen, you
Michael.
want to replace some father figure?
Você
You
pode
can do a
ser uma
lot better
figura
than this
paterna.
bat snake, all right? This fucker would eat his
Essa
own
obra
kids.
por daqui.
Like I said,
Exclusão devoraria os
deranged.
próprios filhos.
Yeah, and best
Demente.
friend.
Exactly.
Aí, melhor amigo.
That's Trevor, my best
Exatamente.
friend. That's Franklin.
Esse é o
the
Trevor,
son
meu
I
melhor
always
amigo.
wanted.
Esse é o Frank, o filho que eu sempre quis.
All right, guys, listen, this is the shot.
Tá certo, pessoal,
I'm gonna
escutem
do all the
só.
heavy lifting on this job. Okay?
Eu vou fazer
Trevor,
todo o
all I
serviço
need you to
pesado,
do
ok?
is fly me to the target. Franklin, you're gonna cover me from across the street.
Frank, você me dá
We're gonna
cobertura
make
do outro
these
lado do
assholes
prédio.
happy
Vamos
and
fazer
walk
essas
away from
discussões
this thing
felizes.
clean.
Vamos
Got
sair
it?
desse lance boa limpo.
All right. And we do
Entendido?
this,
Pode deixar.
and they help us bring Brad.
A gente faz isso e eles
Yeah.
nos ajudam a livrar
We'll
o
talk
Brad,
about Brad
certo?
later.
É, vamos
All
falar
right, I
sobre
gotta
o Brad
change.
depois,
I'm
ok?
gonna grab a head start.
Preciso me trocar.
Nice to meet you, homie.
Yeah,
Prazer em conhecer, mano. Ó, Levo. Ok. Ah, o Trevor acabou de conhecer o Frank.
The government gimp at last.
Bite me.
Finalmente, escravinho do
Let's go.
governo. Chupa. Fuck me.
Let's do this thing.
Certo, vamos nessa.
We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown.
Ó, o Trevor tá aqui, galera.
Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I guess you gotta make compromises. What happened to dying with a gun in your hand?
O que aconteceu de morar com uma arma na mão? A vida... Uma esposa chata, 2 filhos, lembra deles?
You can't move anymore. What about your ties to me? To Brad? Those ties are why you
Brad.
got roped in on this FIB.
Esse é o motivo de você estar enrolado nesse pacto suicida do FBI. Quando eles me mantiverem entretido, sim. Essa, galera, essa é uma das melhores missões que a gente vai fazer do jogo. Pera aí. Ai, ai.
You know, you had me at suicide pact. The access point is on the west side of the tower. Get us in position so I can rappel down.
Vamos ver aqui, encostar aqui. Meio-dia e pouco no jogo.
We're too far from the wall.
You fuck around while I'm out there.
Se você ficar zoando por aqui quando eu estiver lá, eu vou subir essa corda e estrangular com ela. Yeah. Que da hora, cara, essa missão.
Okay, here we go. All right. Okay.
As pessoas estão visualizando menos prédio.
Next, I'll have this thing so far up your ass, your
A
tonsils.
próxima vez vai pra isso, não.
You think we can't do that? We can. It's in our guidelines.
É o Ferdinand, olha lá.
I installed cinema equipment, not
Mão de
surveillance.
vigilância.
Other arm.
No, 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 no. Oh.
Não, 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 não. Nossa, cara.
You think you're impenetrable? See how you feel with this is 18 inches deep inside. Get the lube. Actually, fuck the lube. Let's dry dock him.
Vamos meter no
World thinks
saco.
you're dead, genius.
O mundo acha que você morreu, gênio. Logo você vai desejar.
Who the
Opa!
Close this problem right now.
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief.
36 flow. Got it.
Don't harm the ass. There's another shooter.
You take back, D.
Hold on. Come on, man. Wait. Hey, give us some room here.
What the hell is going on?
We got a window, T. Call us out.
Cut him down. Yeah. We got a sniper in the adjacent building. He's dead. Shoot that guy.
Hey, why are we just hanging here?
Hey! Schooling! I'm not leaving here until you shoot those guys! So get moving on it!
Hey, this guy ain't giving me no good angle. Well, dog, you gotta take him.
Help! Hey, you're the gift, isn't it?
Stop your whining! You're like a chubby, stubbly, hormonal teenage girl!
That's it. Get us out of here.
Vai.
Looks like we've attracted the attention of their air unit. You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin!
Shit!
So long. Hey, the chopper's down, homie.
Good work!
You're in breach of the U.S. Constitution. Lethal force will be utilized.
I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the coppers before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying.
Oh, shit! Shit! I'm gonna fall!
Just strap in, you'll be fine.
Voltar pro frente.
Hey, don't hit anyone on the way down. You're good. Sit back and enjoy the ride.
Fuck this! What the fuck is going on?
Beats me, pal. I'm just here to do a job. Oh, he may be off, but he's still got speed.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
All good questions. Save them for the money man. One lap. Round up. This the kind of action you were looking for, bud? We've been hit. We can't take any more bullets. We need to get them. Close your eyes. I'll tell you when it's over.
I'll be dead before it's over!
Então põe o desgraçado no chão mais. Oh, shit! O Michael morreu. Vai tomar no cu, cara.
You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin.
I thought I had the easy job.
I ain't gonna miss his ass. Hey, I'm clear over here.
Nice one, kid.
An attack on U.S. government agents is an act of war. We are clear to engage you.
Woo! Hope you don't land on the freeway. I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the
are you people?
That doesn't matter.
They said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not.
I don't care who you are.
Then why
Não
are you
importa quem
doing
você é.
this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You
O
saved me.
Ferdinand, ó.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Estamos a favor, thank you. Ó.
FIB, they will make everything okay.
O FIB, vão resolver tudo.
Don't worry, they'll look after you.
Eles
The
cuidarão de
things
você.
those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Yeah, well, that don't seem to matter too much.
E do rolo, hein, o FIB.
Hey, T, bring her down in the lot.
Let's go.
Opa, certo, vamos lá.
Go easy on it. Thank you. Oh, you saved me. Hey, hey. No, huh?
Ah, ei.
No.
Não.
Hey, I said easy. Oh, come on.
Ei, eu disse calma.
I'm gonna get out of this shit.
Certo, eu vou tirar essa porra.
Ha-ha! In bed with the Bureau and a new running buddy.
De rolo com o FI e um novo colega de corrida. Ele tem mais. Ah, é o que? Você vai ensinar ele a ser. Você parece um bom rapaz. Michael, olha só. Cidade nova, mas idiotas, esses são sempre os mesmos.
Alright, Trevor, I'll see you later.
Oh, you better believe it, buddy.
É melhor acreditar, parceiro. Novo contato, Steve. Michael. Olha lá. Onde o Trev vai com o helicóptero?
The FIB, Townley? Why does it not surprise me?
Vamos ver o Frank. Vamos lá pro Dr. Freelander agora. É, agora de rolo de casinho FIB, né, Marcos? Tomar no cu. Vamos ver aqui o que o Dr. Freelander vai falar pro Michael.
Well, you've made it in the end. Please.
Maldade.
Hey,
Por favor, sente.
No. Do as you like.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks.
Oh, man. Man.
Oh, man.
Man. You know
Cara,
what, look.
olha lá. Olha só.
I'm just gonna take off. I'm not
Eu
in the
vou
mood for
entrar
this
fora.
shit. This fucking bullshit.
As you wish, Michael.
Como quiser, Michael.
Can I ask you something, Doc?
Vou te perguntar uma coisa, Doctor.
Wise,
Você
kind,
sabe,
know-it-all kind of
sabe,
guy.
bondosa.
Go ahead.
Vai em
You
frente.
believe in evil?
Você acredita em maldade?
No,
Não.
I don't. I'm a man of science.
Eu
Evil is
sou
a
homem da
construct
ciência.
made by
A
people
maldade é
who
um
wish
construto
to
feito por pessoas que
indulge
desejam
childish fantasies,
satisfazer fantasias infantis.
by people who wish to judge others. It all comes back to the father-mother syndrome, which is what we spent last year on.
Legal, ficamos.
Yeah, well, you obviously never met my old buddy.
Conheci o meu amigo.
We call him Tony.
I thought he was
Vamos
called
chamar de
Trevor.
Tony. Achei que se chamava Trevor.
That's right. I forgot I
Merda.
told you about him. God.
Don't
Esqueci que eu
worry,
já tinha
everything
falado
you tell me is
dele.
in
Não,
strict confidence.
confidencial. Ah.
Didn't you tell me that
Você não tinha me
if
dito?
I turn
Se
things
conseguisse
over
virar o jogo,
and start it again, that
sabe,
the universe
começar
would
tudo de
find
novo, o
some way to
universo iria
forgive me?
achar
Wasn't
a
that
gente
you?
me perdoar.
Have you?
E você
Turned things
conseguiu?
over?
Well, no, I mean, not really. But
Bem,
that's
não.
not the point.
Na verdade, não. Mas a
I
questão é
wanted
essa.
to. That is
Eu gostaria.
the point.
A questão.
What's been going on exactly, Michael?
O que tem acontecido exatamente, Michael? Acho que é isso que você chamaria de relapse.
Relapse is a vital part of recovery.
Oh.
There's been a radical shift in my fortunes.
Houve uma mudança radical na minha sorte,
I may have been
Doctor.
a fat, miserable slob on a sun
Um gordo
lounger.
desajeitado e
At least
miserável
that was
tomando
my
sol.
choice.
Mas pelo menos foi uma
You know?
escolha minha.
But I made a
Sabe?
mistake. A monumental
cometi um
mistake.
erro.
A series of monumental mistakes.
Uma
The
série de
house,
erros
stock
monumentais.
market scam,
A casa,
jewelry
golpe do
store,
mercado de ações,
and
a
now
joalheria.
I'm playing gun thug
E
for
agora eu
the
tô
FIB.
brincando de capanca do
Just to pass the
FBI.
time, you know, till Trevor figures out if
Só
he
pra
wants to
passar o
kill
tempo,
me.
sabe? Até que o Trevor decida
Maybe
se
my
quer me
whole
matar.
family.
E talvez matar minha família.
Out of control, no choice.
Fora de
These are
controle,
things you
sem
tell
escolha.
yourself to
As
justify
coisas você só fala pra
your
justificar o seu
behaviors.
comportamento.
Anything else you want to tell me?
Alguma coisa. Filha-me.
Sometimes I'm fine, Doc, and
Às vezes eu estou bem,
sometimes I'm a
doutor.
fucking maniac. It's like I'm two different people. You know, I don't like
Se
either
eu fosse
one.
duas pessoas,
I
e eu não
think
gosto de
split
nenhuma das duas.
personality is the least of your problems. You're deranged.
Você é um psicótico.
You listen to me, asshole. I never said I was perfect.
Esse é o conselho. Eu nunca disse que eu era perfeito.
What about your
Seus
sexual
problemas
problems,
sexuais,
Michael?
Michael.
Well, you know, I've been a good
Eu
boy. in
espero
that
que eu tenha
regard.
ido bem.
I'm making real progress, Doc.
We are making progress, Michael. You're finally listening to me.
Você está finalmente prestando. Ótimo.
If I could just get all these people off my back,
Se eu
Doc.
conseguisse ao menos me livrar de
Doing
toda
a
essa
lot
gente,
better.
doutor, estaria muito melhor.
Fascinating. You may actually
Fascinante.
be a
Você
rare
acaba de ser a
combination
combinação
of a
rara de
sociopath and a deluded
um
psychopath.
sociopata com um psicopata
Either that
iludido.
or a more classic case of a weak
Ou
pup
isso,
who
um
was
caso
weaned too
clássico de
soon by
filhotinho.
an angry mother.
What the hell does that mean?
It means
Que diabo é isso que eu
that's about all we have time for. I really want you to work on yourself. Think about the person you'd like to be and really obsess about it. Next week, I'll tell you how to
Na
become that
próxima
person.
semana ali,
And remember, brother, we're
lembre-se,
all
irmão,
rowing together.
estamos todos no
Now,
mesmo barco.
Cross
Agora
that
vai
ocean.
atravessar esse
Oh,
oceano.
by the way, your insurance, right?
Ah, a propósito, dinheiro, né?
I don't suppose you could pay cash from now on. If I'm hearing correctly, you've clearly got some.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, olha, good.
Close the door on your way out.
Fecha a porta quando sair.
And buddy, chin up, okay?
E amigão, cabeça erguida, ok? Olha, galera, vamos fazer aquela missão com o Lester, o Franklin.
Bumper to bumper, damn.
Oh shit.
Yeah, who this? Oh, hello? This is Raul from the cab company. They said you bought the business, so I wanted to introduce myself.
Alright, cool. Shit. Good to meet you.
It's a solid business. We do well. Some of our regulars can be a little fussy, but what do you expect? In LS, right? I'll give you a call if anything comes up, okay?
Alright, sounds good.
Okay. You faster.
Unbelievable!
Vamos ver a internet do jogo aqui.
Oh shit! Holy Christ!
You're nothing unless you're running your own bar. You gotta go in with me.
You're telling me?
Valeu por cuidar do mano. JP Pretzel. Te devo uma logo que eu me acertar aqui. Então, qual é a real agora? Você é motorista de guincho agora? Isso é coisa menos vida, mano. Ó, o Lamar tá mandando. Que história é essa de eu ter armado pra você? Ó os trash. Continua falando merda assim que você já era. Ah. Ó o Lester. Aqui nós vamos investir, galera, no mercado de ação, tem que prestar atenção. Ah, aqui. O assassino mata no hotel. Sente-se e olhe pra frente.
I know you need money. Did Michael tell you about Life Invader?
Oh shit, Life Invader. Puta merda, vocês fizeram aqui?
We're two strangers having a friendly chat, and don't pretend that you liked Jane Norris.
Oh man, I don't know, homie.
Jane Norris.
I mean,
eu não sei, mano.
Outsourced work to child slaves. They stole and sold everybody's private information, and even ripped his own friends' ideas off and walked around like a messiah while doing it, but man, I don't think the nigga deserved to have his fucking head blown off on TV.
Aren't you just a moral majority? You know, that's why the world is the way it is today, when a paid thug gets all namby-pamby when someone asks him to act like a paid thug, and for a good cause.
Man, check this out, homie. I like blowing motherfucking fools' heads off just as much as the next psychotic asshole. But I just don't look at this shit as doing a good deed.
Well, now you can, because it's not fools' heads, it's assholes' heads. And not just heads, you know, trashing cars, planning lies, forging evidence, anything we can do to take the battle back to these turds.
Essas missões tem que prestar atenção e para investir no mercado de ações junto com os 3 personagens.
Shit, okay, cool.
Right, so,
you heard
of Mollis?
Hell yeah.
Okay, so there's a new Mollis, sort of a super Mollis, and it's called Priapolds. It's giving the living rigor mortis. Only Brett Lowry, CEO CEO of Bilkington Research paid off the FDA. He doesn't care that his hardness are giving desperate middle-aged men the world over heart attacks.
Damn, man, that sucks.
Yeah, it does.
É uma merda. Sim, o Sr. Ganassi Lowry está ficando no hotel Fon na Richmond. É claro, ele vai estar bem protegido, mas se ele sumir. E a Beta Farmacêutica vai ter grande aumento no preço das suas... Beta Farmacêutica lá, anotei.
Consider using a sniper rifle or sticky bombs. You know, whatever. Do it your way, however you want. I'm gonna make the investment. We don't speak about this or anything. Now walk away, and I'll stay here till you're gone.
Agora vai embora. Beta Farmacêuticos, deixa eu ver. Aqui, ó. Investi aqui, ó. Com a morte e o assassinato no hotel. As pilhas do seu controle estão fracas.
My car, asshole!
Os seguranças chegaram para buscar o alvo no hotel. Ele deve ir embora muito em breve. Tem que esperar agora, né, galera? Checkout.
Let's move it out, people. We need this area clear.
Hey, people. Os seguranças estão fazendo a checagem do nosso alvo.
Keep your eye out for anything unusual. Let's see if we can get through one day without some wannabe hippie waving an anti-globalization sign in my face.
We got a shooter! Take cover! Shots fired!
Man, you get what you give out, Mr. Lowry.
Saia da área.
Where is that son of a bitch? Keep your eyes open. He's here somewhere.
Aê, matamos o alvo. Matamos sem chamar a atenção.
Hey, it's done.
I know. Good work.
All right, well, shit, let me know about the next thing.
Will do, but before that, I've got to tell you something. Our investment portfolio is getting a little, successful, so I figured we needed some tangible assets, property. So we bought a house in the Vinewood Hills.
Então comprou uma casa em Vinewood Hills.
You know best about this shit.
And we needed someone to live there for tax purposes, so some guys are moving your stuff in.
Então já manquei alguns caras fazendo.
Meaning I don't have to live with my crazy ass aunt no more? Man, I don't know what the fuck to say, dog.
Don't say anything, especially if a man in a suit comes to the door. I'm joking, that probably isn't gonna happen. It's yours, enjoy it. 3671 Wispy Mound Drive.
Oh, shit. Franklin se mudou para uma nova casa em Vinewood Hills. Esse local pode ser usado para salvar progresso e trocar de roupa. Opa, vamos conhecer a casa nova do Frank. Ah. A nossa nova casa. Essa é a casa nova segura do Frank. Você pode salvar veículos estacionando-os na garagem.
Sleep time's up, Chop.
Vou investir chá. Comprar. Como que compra aqui? Ah, sim. Aqui, ó. Comprar. Isso aqui pouca gente sabe o segredo, né, galera? GTA V você comprar as ações, ó. Tô cheio da grana da joalheria que eu roubei lá. O que é isso agora?
I wasn't counting cards. I was cheating.
Vamos fazer o serviço lá com o Trevor. Peraí. Vamos fazer a missão com o Trevor aqui na casa dele. Trevor, como anda as coisas em Los Santos? Estamos com saudade de você. De verdade. Está aparecendo um monte de louco pilotando por aqui. Ninguém está feliz. Fácil fazer meu trabalho. Conseguimos por... Pode parar com a viadagem, fatura uma grana pra gente, faz do jeito que foi.
Just take it. It's thrift store anyway. Just robbed me! Tell me it's good news.
Vai fora, esse dinheiro é meu. Vamos lá no apartamento do prédio.
Trevor is a what?
Trevor is
o quê? Hã?
He's like family. Got kid, ain't
it?
That's it, right? Yes, Trevor.
Right, olha lá.
But the thing is, I ain't been with that many women.
Aqui. Eu nunca peguei uma mulher.
Easy. And Deborah, I mean, we're getting married.
So Deborah, nós vamos nos casar então.
But I'm scared that she's gonna leave me. I mean, this is her place, and the fornicating. There's Mr. Raspberry Jam.
Whoa.
Tem o Sr. Gerard Frampus.
Oh. Mr. Raspberry Jam.
Chama o Sr. Gerard.
Bringing great joy to a lonely man.
Dando muita alegria a homem solitário.
I ain't got a very big penis.
Nossa, cara.
When they look at it.
Wow. Show me.
Certo, me mostra.
Show me!
No, I don't want to.
Show me, boy. Nossa.
Mine ain't nothing special, but this boy gets the job done. All right? Now,
entendeu?
Wade here says that you work
certo, o Wade aqui me disse que você trabalha nas docas.
Look at me.
Yes.
Can you just...
Olha pra mim. É que você não
away,
pode
sir?
dar o seu... Ih, rapaz.
Yes, I work at the docks.
Jesus.
And anything interesting there for a
Tem
man
alguma
like
coisa
me?
interessante pra homem como eu?
I don't rightly know. What kind of person are you?
Oh, I'm that kind of person, Floyd. I am that
Sou esse tipo de
kind of
pessoa.
person. Now, let's get you, Wade, and that little tormentor down there to put these on. We are going for a ride. Gentlemen, the gateway to America awaits. Ron, we got an inside man at the port of LS. I'm gonna send you some information. I need you on point to help plan things. I got it.
Vamos lá, vamos lá. Oh, nós vai lá no
Come on then,
porto.
Floyd, what you got for me?
Like I said, I don't rightly know what we got. You're going to have to be more exact in your questioning, sir.
Olha lá.
We're looking for something to steal.
Sir, I stole a pencil in elementary
Eu
school
roubei
and
lápis
I've
no
been regretting
jardim
it
de
ever
infância.
since.
Olha lá.
Boy, always was a stick in the mud.
Look, sir, please,
Olha.
just tell me what you want and I'll do my utmost to assist you in finding it.
Here's the problem. I don't
Esse é o problema, não sei o que eu
what I
quero.
want. It's a bit, well, like pornography or a perfect turn.
Nossa,
I can't
cara.
quite describe it, but I'll know it when I see it.
You ain't aiding my comprehension.
All right. Well, how's this?
Tá bom, aqui tá assim, tudo bem.
$236 billion worth of cargo came through the port of Los Santos last year.
O porto
He's
de Los
real
Santos.
good with numbers.
I don't want to hijack a truck full of pineapples, Floyd. You need to give us the inside track on what's coming through.
We don't know what's in the containers. They certainly don't put price tags on them.
Well, have you noticed anything?
Você notou alguma coisa?
Different? Anything that might indicate something?
Well, there's been all these Merryweather folks hanging around.
Merryweather Security Consulting.
Merryweather
Private Army to the
Security.
New
Olha
World
lá.
Order.
My butt's gone numb.
Waging outsourced shadow wars in 20 countries around the globe and recently cleared to operate on U.S. soil?
That, sounds like them.
É, acho que
So
são
there's a
esses.
private militia in the port. What are they guarding?
This one freighter, I guess now that you mention it, it ain't quite right.
A freighter. Perfect. Can I get on board?
No,
Okay, perfect.
they
Olha
won't
lá.
let you anywhere near it. They're kind of assholes about it, actually. The other day, my colleague, Ralph...
I don't give a shit about Ralph.
Não me importa com a merda do Ralph.
Is
Temos
there
que dar
anything
uma olhada.
else?
Tem alguma coisa
There's
mais?
another bunch of Merryweather guys out by the Navy warehouse. They got boats
Tem barcos,
coming
olha lá.
in and out. I heard they was
Oh, Floyd.
testing something.
All right. We'll take a look at that as well. These bridges, they the only way out the port?
Yep. Once you're off them, you're straight on the highway. A truck can come here, load up, and get on the blacktop, keep on going till he runs out of gas.
Real poetic. What happens if an alarm's tripped?
The National Office of Security Enforcement monitors the whole area. If something goes off in Port City, every road round here gets shut down.
How are you? Oh, anyway, listen. Still haven't picked up Steve's present. Yeah, well,
No way anybody could come in or out.
Vamos ver a cara do Floyd aqui, peraí.
Well, I guess we're going to Port City then.
Então chega no Porto de Los Santos.
Go park and get to dispatch.
Yep, will do.
Go park and get to dispatch. Come on, shift's about to start.
É, eles estão com estilo de funcionário. Isso eu achei que o Trevor e o Wade lá são funcionários do porto.
Here comes the suit. I gotta check in.
Remember, Floyd, this can go real wrong real quick.
It don't matter what went in his mouth. It matters what came out.
We got a waste spillage and I got a slot on the cleanup crew.
There is nothing
that Wade here ain't gonna do for a warm meal. Hope you got a strong stomach, son.
Yes, we do.
Vazamento de esgoto, cara. Nossa.
You gonna take me to see this freighter?
Yeah, it's over here.
You ever get helicopters coming in and out of here? You know, those big sky crane things that
can pick up trabalho do Wade, do Floyd, né, cara? Que ele trabalha.
They won't let anything out of here without clearance. Shoot it down if they have to.
So how's a man in a hurry supposed to get in and out of this place?
Well, we got a port that's stretched to 50 feet.
Now, what's the Coast Guard response like?
Well, they got cutters, 45-foot response vessels, air support. You're not gonna move much faster than them, especially if you're carrying something.
Maybe I'll have to saddle you up and ride you across the Miriam Turner overpass.
I just said they had the water surface real covered.
Okay.
That is the freighter I told you about.
Floyd.
What do you think they got on it?
We just stevedore them. We ain't meant to know what's in the containers.
But
these are marked military. Government.
Anything weird about that?
The government stuff is hot freight. Pulls up, goes right through. This stuff's just been sitting here.
You are beginning to arouse my curiosity.
Merriweather guys at 2 o'clock. They're giving Forrest a hard time, all right.
You! We need 2 guys on the handler. Couple of containers and Baby gotta be brought up to F. That ain't a question. Get on it.
Okay.
Now.
Up here, okay?
Legal isso aqui,
How about I run that prick over in this thing?
I thought you wanted to scope the place. We don't get the containers, they're gonna check your card. Oh, I'm getting nervous.
You're always nervous. Relax.
Not always, sir. Just around you. And it's just Cousin Wade's on his own. He better hold it together. Stick to the story.
He'll be fine. Boy's on a waste clearance crew. He's never happier when he's neck deep in shit.
Vai ficar bem.
Trevor! It's those containers. Baby! Hook it up! Okay, we got it. Let's take her down to Bay F.
I know why they call them handlers, because they handle like a dream.
This ain't a toy, sir. It's heavy machinery.
Thank fuck I'm high as a kite.
You should not be operating this vehicle while under the influence.
I'll operate you.
Oh, no!
How about I run that prick over in this thing?
I thought you wanted to scope the place. We don't get the containers, they're gonna check your card. Oh, I'm getting nervous.
You're always nervous. Relax.
Not always, sir. Just around you. And it's just Cousin Wade's on his own. He better hold it together. Stick to the story.
He'll be fine. Boy's on a waste clearance crew. He's never happier when he's neck deep in shit.
Those are the containers in Bay B. And attach it. That's it. Now we gotta bring it over to Bay F.
I know why they call them handlers, because they handle like a dream.
This ain't a toy, sir. It's heavy machinery.
Thank fuck I'm high as a kite.
You should not be operating this vehicle while under the influence.
I'll operate you under the influence if you're not careful. You happy? Now I'll get the other one for you. Me, anyway. I'm gonna need a better view of that freighter.
I'm sorry, but this is as close as you going to get.
Nah. I need to take some pictures. Send them to my guy, Ron. I'll need a proper view.
There's the cranes, but...
Cranes! Perfect!
Oh, shoot!
Oh, shit. Olha o navio gargueiro lá.
Clamp it on now!
Hey, whose dick you have to suck to get this job? Being a stevedore used to be back-breaking work. Now you're paid brain surgeon bucks to push an oversized shopping cart.
I did not fellatiate no one to get this job. Deborah's old friends with the... Well, with the
say no more. You didn't fillet no one, but darling Debbie probably did. She probably enjoyed it.
Please, just don't.
Okay. It's up to the top of the crane for me.
Oh, wait. Voltei, galera. Ai. Voltei. Olha aí. O que tem aqui? Fazer logo essa missão que deve terminar a live hoje. Quase 2 horas já.
Hey! There ain't time to admire the view. I've been waiting on a crane driver nearly an hour.
I'm not permitted to drive cranes, buddy.
Hey, you need me to get your union rep up here right now? Sooner you get in the cab, sooner we can get out of here.
Okay.
This is on you.
Come up onto this catwalk, then go down the ladder and into the cabin.
Vamos mexer o guindaste.
All right, I'm here. What do I do?
First, you gotta line up the cabin over the container. There's some lights on the spreader that should help with alignment. Looks like you're in line. You're in position, so drop the spreader down and secure the load. Looks good to me. Grab onto it.
Opa, aí
it's hooked up, so lift it high enough to clear that container stack and move it to the other end. We need to go to the other end. Bay 5. We ain't there yet.
Ah, tem que pôr no caminhão o container.
That's the truck. Ease her onto it. Bring the container down over the truck's frame. Locked, all that freight.
Ah, aí sim.
And you said you wasn't qualified. Go back up to the other end and start again.
Oh, o jogo tava bugando aqui, velho.
Get back down to the other end.
Que da hora isso aqui.
Line up the second red container at the end.
O container pesa quantos quilos será, hein? É o Porto de Los Santos. Eu vou operando máquina. Aí.
All right, you're done. Break time.
Dá uma pausa. Dá uma pausa aí, sim.
Wow. I mean, this is some view, ain't it? I'm gonna take a couple shots for my boy.
Olha o navio. Fotografar a parte de frente do navio. Tá pra tirar esse negócio foto aqui. Fotos enviadas. Fotos recebidas. Boys. Vou atrás de informações de volta quando tiver alguma coisa, Ron. O Trevor é maluquinho, né, galera? É doido das ideias.
Trevor, come on. I can take you over to the warehouse.
Levar até o depósito. Beleza. Ó o Floyd.
It's over on the other dock. So they've been guarding one of them dry docks. We can take a look at it, but no one's allowed.
Levar no depósito, né?
Normal rules don't apply to us, Floyd. We're going in.
Nós vamos entrar.
I don't know. The rules applied to me my whole life. I like rules.
And look at you. You're a failure. You're in a loveless relationship.
Relacionamento sem amor, Floyd.
I love Deborah.
If she loved you, she'd be here, wouldn't she? But she's not.
You know I'm insecure.
You've got a dead-end job.
What? Dead end? No.
Floyd, it's dead end.
Floyd, é fim de
Being
linha.
a unionized longshoreman's one of the best paying jobs in the country. You tell people around La
Floyd,
Puerta
é
that's
fim de
what you
linha
do,
lá.
they're liable to rob you. They're so jealous.
No one's jealous of you, Floyd. They pity you. You're abused by that woman. You're abused by these slave drivers. I mean, I've never worked so hard in my life.
O Floyd é coitado, é coitado.
So bad. I've been doing this every day for 10 years, only usually with less of the criminality.
You're wasting your life, Floyd. It's lucky we turned up when we did. I'm saving you from yourself.
We ain't heard from Wade.
What are you, his mother? He's fine.
No, spillage shouldn't take this long to contain. There must be a lot of it.
Good. Keep him busy while we get to work.
O Wade tá atrapalhando, né?
Please, be careful.
Vamos entrar aqui. Ó. Vou entrando, pessoal, dá licença.
Hey! You can't come through here.
Ei, porque não é acesso restrito. Não entendo. Eles querem pegar as plantas, né? Manifesto. Ei, parado. Ei, pra trás, pra trás. O cara nem fala a nossa língua lá. Manifesto. Ó o Floyd, vamos bater nele, coitado. Ih, rapaz. Nossa. Aí, essas plantas aqui, ó. Olha com esse carrinho velho aqui.
Trevor, these photos. You've really stumbled onto something. The ship, Merryweather.
Yeah, I know. Tell me about the ship. If we put a man with a gun on the bridge next to it and get a guy on board, I think we got a good chance of taking over.
Way it looks to me, there's a container below deck. They're guarding it for the government, keeping it off the books. Serious military technology, most like.
Yeah, of course. I just found a manifest. They're testing something out at sea. It's gotta be that. Now, get back to work. The TPI conglomerate ain't thriving. There's only one man responsible.
Of course, yeah. But I'll start pulling all the intel I can get on Merryweather at the same time. I got a file here somewhere.
É isso aí, é isso aí. Hoje já fizemos um progresso considerável, galera. Peraí. Deixa eu ver aqui. Olha o Cadillac velho que nós está, eu acho. O Floyd deixamos ele lá pra apanhar.
Hey, buddy. Looking good.
You didn't see my car?
Opa! Estamos chegando na casa, no apartamento do Floyd. É quase 6 horas da tarde. Vamos ver aqui. Nossa, tudo sujo a cara do Floyd, nossa.
What in the name of all things holy?
Oh, wait.
I tried to stop it, but it just kept.
Mas só continuava, esgoto.
Oh, there, Wade.
Oh, calma, Wade.
You're just not cut out for honest work, all right?
Vai honesto, tá? Oh, não.
Did you get what you needed?
Você pegou o que precisava? Sim, mais ou menos, é. Nossa, tudo melecado, nossa, Wade.
That woman ain't even fine.
Essa mulher nem é bonita.
No one understands why
Só
Floyd
deixa ela abusar tanto
him so.
dele. Olha lá.
It's low self-esteem, Wade. We gotta
de
build him
baixa
back up.
autoestima, Wade. A gente precisa reconstruir isso.
And there, perfect.
E perfeito. Vamos ler o plano do Trevor.
Based on my observations, I'd say these Merryweather security
Segurança da Mayweather
are sitting on something real valuable. I think they got 2 of these things, but we only need
coisas, mas a gente só vai
First one
precisar de
is on that freighter in a container
Primeiro está
below
naquele
deck.
cargueiro,
They got
em
guards
container abaixo
all
com
over that
resto.
ship, so it's likely they're keeping it on ice. The air, land, and sea routes into the port will
As
be locked
rotas
down
aéreas,
as
terrestres,
soon as we
marítimas
make
de
a
acesso
noise
ao porto
at these
serão
X's here.
assim que
Which means
começar a
we have to
notícia
blow
aqui.
up the ship and grab the thing underwater. Need a guy to plant the
Explodir
bombs,
o
a
barco.
guy to look out from with a rifle,
E
and a guy to grab the thing, whatever it is,
que cobertura ele com
underwater.
rifle. E
That means
cara que
stealing
pega o
a submarine,
negócio.
of course, but you
Isso
can
significa
find
que a
us one
gente
of
vai
them,
ter que
can't you?
roubar mini submarino, claro.
Now,
Ok.
the other one is off the coast
Agora a
being
outra está
tested.
sendo
They're
testada
running
em
the
alto mar.
operation from the dock where I last saw your
Estão
cousin. We'll need a submarine for that too, and probably a
Precisaremos de uns
chopper, a
mini
big
submarino
one.
para isso
We
também.
go
Um
out
helicóptero,
there,
provavelmente.
look around
A gente vai lá
underwater,
dar uma
locate
procurada
it,
embaixo d'água,
bring it
localiza o
back
negócio.
here and find out what it
E
is.
traz o que é.
Here? To the
Aqui,
condo?
pro apartamento.
Aye, so,
Mais um
what do
golpe,
you
né?
think? Container ship or whatever's offshore?
Vamos ver aqui o plano. Fotografar o navio, investigar as rotas de fuga, verificar a segurança a bordo. Escolher uma tática. A gente escolhe um plano aqui. Tem um gargueiro para afundar. E em alto mar. Plano A, plano B. Pera aí, galera.
The problem is, both of these are foolproof. It's got to be the container, right? Offshore. Deep sea adventure. Gotta be.
Vamos ver aqui. Vamos pro cargueiro.
You and Floyd can help, and we'll bring
Você
along Michael
pode
and his unpaid intern.
O Michael é o estagiário voluntário dele. Dá certo, ok, beleza. Que cheiro é esse? Indo pro representante local do sindicato.
Wade here was injured in the performance of his duties. Human waste has seeped into his very pores, and I am sorry to say this, but I don't think he's ever going to smell normal again.
You can't go to the union.
You are union, all right, and you vouch
Você
for
é do
us, all
sindicato,
right? You
testemunha
look
pra
at
gente,
him,
tá
man.
certo?
Smell him.
Small.
Trevor,
Trevor,
you're planning a robbery on my place of work. You violated Mr.
Eu tô
Raspberry
projetando um
Jam,
ambiente
and
de
God
trabalho.
alone knows what else. You damaged Deborah.
Você tragou a Deborah?
Look, my lady and my union, that's all I got. So why don't we
tudo que eu
just
tenho.
why don't we just
Não,
let this
porque
all
a
slide?
gente.
If you're comfortable.
Se você não tem problema com o que aconteceu com seu primo,
But I would give
então
him
tudo
a
bem, tá
bath
certo.
and rinse him off. No!
Não! Nada de banho. Ih, rapaz. Ai, anoiteceu. O reconhecimento do porto.
I thought you had a bath.
Estou tomando banho, ó. O Trevor vai ligar pro Mike.
Ah, Trevor. Hey. Mikey, hey, listen.
Mike,
loving
assim,
it
eu tô amando
here in
Los Santos.
LS, really settling in. Getting my first enema tomorrow.
Mas eu vou fazer
Anyway,
o meu
I
primeiro
heard
enema.
about some action.
Todo mundo.
Yeah, huh?
Certo.
Oh, you bet it's okay. Listen, I gotta do a little prep work, but so far it's looking pretty tasty. I'll need you to bring along that kid you've been hanging
O garoto
with.
começou a andar com
Franklin.
você, o Frank.
In there. Like right in.
Aí estou tomando banho. Não vou atender agora.
I gotta reload!
It's stinky, ain't it?
Ó, o senhor Geré de Framboesa.
You are a naughty bear, Mr. Jam.
You're gonna have to scrub it.
Mucky nose, naughty.
Driver adorou o senhor Geré de Framboesa.
It's like soaked into my skin, ain't it?
And I get chicks. Here, smell.
No, God.
All right. Oh, sorry, that was a sandwich. Smell.
No, I
oh,
don't want to
okay.
smell your...
Oh, o senhor lá que nós ao meio do weather. Vamos de grama.
Let's get to it, okay? I am so desperate to hear you sing. I mean, last time you were fantastic. So you're gonna do I love this.
Have wondered what happened to Leonora Johnson, and if they would have plucked up the
Leonora Johnson, o que aconteceu com ela? Ah, a gente, Leonora Johnson, a gente vai descobrir esse mistério ainda. Isso aqui é uma propaganda. Olha o Steve Haines aí, o cuzão.
Short skirts, women's liberation, and hidden aliens embedded amongst us for the murder. But not all crime is premeditated.
Oh,
maybe
Steve
drink is your
Haines.
thing. Look at this drunken buffoon, proving that there doesn't always need to be criminal intent to cause serious criminal damage. Or maybe you're just an overprivileged poppycock.
Nós tá esquema com o FBI.
Maybe stock market manipulation is
Talvez esse negócio de manipulação da bolsa de valores.
double identity theft, assassination, or even worse, swinging. On our next episode, I, Stephen Haines,
Eu e Steve Haines irei te mostrar o lado mais chamativo do crime em Los Santos.
illegal street racing,
Coisas ilegais de rua, cocaína e marginalidade.
speed, snort, and sex.
Sem velocidade,
The
muito
alliterative
pós-sexo.
threesome that took America on the underbelly of paradise.
É o programa de Steve Haines.
In times like these, it's important to remember the good things.
Holding my guitar on a fire escape in the rain with dry hair, bought a soaking shirt. This helicopter's with my life.
You my naughty bitch, cousin. Oh shit,
Loading!
Ah, que da hora.
I'm sorry. Sometimes it just goes up like that. It'll go down.
Crap! I'm out!
Pô, eu vou sacar na bolsa de ações mesmo, eu esqueci o dinheiro lá, ó. Vamos salvar o jogo. Pera aí, galera. Pela primeira vez na cama do Freud. Você não achou ainda aquele cara?
Stick a Luca right in there. Like right in.
Ah, ganhei uma grana. Ô moleque, tô planejando um serviço. Talvez você precise melhorar sua habilidade de tiro. Tente ir ao estande de tiro. Agora eu tenho contato do Trevor. Quem que é esse contato, Jason? Cartão de jogador. Ah, é um novo amigo do Jason. Ah, entendi. Ah, aparece aqui. Vamos pro Michael ver o que ele tá fazendo. Ô galera, acho que eu vou parar a live por aqui. Acho que eu vou parar por aqui. Eu só vou sacar do mercado de ações, porque isso é um progresso considerável. Depois nós vai na casa do Michael aqui ver o que é essa missão. Ah, vamos sacar esse dinheiro. Ó, ganhamos um dinheirinho a mais. Galera, eu vou me despedindo por aqui. A gente fez um progresso. A gente continua na próxima parte de GTA V. Hoje foi em cima de um brasileiro para o FBI. O Michael Frank deve se conhecer. Então é isso aí, galera. Eu peço para que todos estiverem chegando, deixem o like, compartilhem a